Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, back at it again. I had this one board in our shop for a TV not turning on. This one, it is a BN44-00992A. So this issue was that this board had no power, completely dead. Here's the TV over here. And we would plug the board in and it just, no signs of life, no red standby light, which is going to be over here, nothing there, and looks like it's basically has no power. So after a little bit of troubleshooting on the board, we were able to pinpoint the issue. First we saw that this fuse here was blown, so then we knew it had to be something on the hot side. So we looked over here, we did see a capacitor that was blown out and a Mosfet that was also blown. So we started there, we found replacements around the shop that we installed, and everything looks to be working good. So here's the rundown. So here are the components. We have capacitor, Mosfet, and a fuse. So if you actually flip this capacitor over, you'll see that this thing was really shot. So that was kind of the first indicator of, okay, it's something on this rail that created the short here and giving it no power. So I tested these ones. This was the only one that had shorts between source drain and gate, and changed that one out, and that one is now working. And the fuse was open. Also found that with another donor board, everything was good. And to kind of give you a bit more of a list compilation here, this is what I found. So the location of the fuse, capacitor, one of the Mosfets, a diode that was on the same rail but tested okay, and another Mosfet that was again on the same rail but also tested okay. So we went ahead, installed it, and it's working as it should. So I'll do a live test with you guys. I'll go ahead, I'll plug it in now, and you'll see this thing turning on. All right, it's in. I'm just gonna plug this guy in here. Okay. Power cord. All right. And press the power button. Boom. As you can see, we're getting some light shines through here. We know this TV's on. And this is a really big TV, so I can't stand it all the way up, but you can see that this TV is on and functioning. And the issue was right along this rail. I can't touch it because it's on, but capacitor there, diode's fine. It was this diode here. It may be the other Mosfet, depending on the scenario, but Mosfet, diode, Mosfet. For me, that Mosfet was bad. That Mosfet could be bad. In your situation, you just have to figure it out by do the testing and shorts to ground, all that good stuff. And also, this fuse was also shorted out. So if you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, but I'll be coming out with some more videos soon to let you know basic issues with TVs and how to fix them. Thanks, guys.